So research has shown us that happy people intend, they choose to be happy. They make a conscious choice to boost their happiness. An intention to be happy is key in our equation to happiness. We must consciously choose attitudes and behaviors that lead us to happiness. And we all know the power of intention in our wonderful religion. And we all know the famous hadith, إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِالنِّيَّاتِ. Verily, actions are but by their intentions. And for every person will receive what they intend. So inshallah, right now, I want us all to make a conscious intention that inshallah, starting from tonight, we're going to choose happiness. We are going to wake up in the morning and do these things, these 3 keys that I'm going to share with you, and intend to be happy. And even when something that harms us or hurts us happens, we're going to remember that it's okay because this is bringing me closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this doesn't mean that I don't get to be happy later. When the Prophet ﷺ was burying his son Ibrahim, he cried so heavily that the companions were very confused because they'd never seen him cry like that. And they said, Ya Rasulullah, even you? And he said, even me. But those tears did not negate the previous smiles, did not become a roadblock to tomorrow's happiness. So it's okay to experience that sadness, to allow yourself to experience and to let it go, and to find yourself in that state of happiness sometime later.